Ugh, why are you running political fundraiser ads? You know, from time to time, we get questions like this. Why are we running ads that are offensive? Well, let's talk about that.
To open. And wow.
Well, hey everybody, I'm Bill with Live Simple, Live Free. And you know, Elizabeth and I are very blessed to be able to make our income solely from YouTube. I was able to quit my 70-hour-a-week truck driving job 2 years ago and come home and just work YouTube and the other things that we're doing from home. And we're very thankful for that. And there are two main ways that we make money by doing this. One is by the things that we sell from our channel, like Thrive Life, and the other thing is from the ads that run in front of our videos. And those are the two main sources of income. There are a few others. But the interesting thing is, when I look at how much money I make on any given video and how many views that video had, and to do the math, it turns out that I'm making about 1/3 of a penny per view. So that's not to say if you watch one of our ads, I'm only going to make 1/3 of a penny, because there are a lot of people that don't watch the ads, and I only get paid if you watch the ad. But when you average it out, I'm earning about 1/3 of a cent per view on any given video. And that doesn't sound like much, but you know, once your channel starts to grow and you start to get 100,000 views or more, that can add up. So we're very blessed to be able to do that. Now, the ads that run in front of the videos, I have absolutely no control over what the ads are that run there. YouTube chooses that, and I have no say in the matter. Or at least, that's what I thought. I just discovered otherwise, and I'll get into that in a minute. But up until now, what I understood was the only choice that I had was whether to monetize any given video or not. We do not monetize our Tea with Jesus videos, for instance, but we monetize pretty much all of the others. And then I have the choice of where I want to run the ads. I can run them before the video, after the video, or what they call mid-roll. Now that's when it runs in the middle of the video. Quite frankly, when I'm watching videos and there's a ad in the middle of it, I absolutely hate that. So I'm not going to inflict that on you. It might mean that I might not make quite as much money because I'm not running as many ads, but you know, I'm all about making it a pleasant viewer experience, and I don't want to put you through that, so I'm not running any mid-roll ads. The other option that I have is whether I want to run skippable ads or non-skippable ads. A non-skippable ad means you can't skip it, you got to watch the entire thing. I don't like that either, so I opt out of that and I only run skippable ads. So I give you the option to skip the ad if you want, and I don't make you watch any videos or any ads in the middle of the video. I just got dive bombed by a butterfly. But I do appreciate anyone who watches the ads. If you watch at least 30 seconds of an ad, then I'm going to get that 1/3 of a penny. But we really appreciate it when you do watch the ads. Now, the advertisers have a choice of what videos they want to run on. For instance, and I have to certify when I put an ad, when I upload a video, what is in the video. I have to say if there's foul language. I have to say if it's made for kids. I have to say if it's violence in there, or I have to say if there's any kind of guns in there. And if there's many advertisers don't want to advertise on something that has guns in it. So, you know, and I don't have any guns that in any of my videos anywhere. But the advertiser has the choice of what videos he wants to run on, and it always really irritated me that I don't have a choice, until I found out recently that I do. But you know, I see ads. I'm not actually even allowed to watch my own ads, because then I get paid for watching my own ads, and they don't allow that. But when I'm watching other channels and their videos, I see ads for you know, political ads for liberals that are offensive to me. I see ads by Planned Parenthood that are very offensive to me. You know, I don't want to be running ads on my videos that advocate the taking of a life. I just don't want to be doing that, and it really upset me that I had no choice. Well, there's a YouTube channel called Video Creators that's actually run by YouTube, and they put out weekly or twice a week videos to let us creators know what's new and what they're developing and what they're working on. It's actually pretty helpful. Well, I was watching one of those videos a couple of weeks ago, and he made an offhand comment about us being able to pick our ads, but I didn't know anything about it. So I started to research, and here's what I found out. I was looking all over YouTube Creator Studio to try to figure out how to block the ads, and it just simply wasn't there. Well, it turns out I have to go to my AdSense account. For those of you who may be video creators, you know what I'm talking about. If you're going to get paid through YouTube, you don't actually get paid from YouTube, you get paid from another company called AdSense. And you have an AdSense account, and they're the ones that run the ads, and they're the ones that pay you. And I discovered that if I log into my AdSense account, then I do actually have the choice of what videos I want to run and what videos I don't want to run. And I was really excited about this. So first thing I did was I discovered that I can block all ads that have anything to do with so-called reproductive rights. In other words, I can ban Planned Parenthood from my channel, which I've done. They also had a section for political ads. So I just banned all political ads. And going forward, you're not going to be seeing any political ads or political fundraising ads. So I was very excited. I banned a couple of other small categories. I don't remember what they all are, but those are the main ones: the politics, the abortion. And so there you have it. I'm not going to run any mid-roll ads. I'm not going to run any non-skippable ads, and I haven't been doing that for a long time. And going forward, hopefully you're not going to be seeing any offensive ads run at the beginning of my channel. So yeah, I think that's a big step up, a big improvement, and I'm glad I finally figured out how to do that by going to AdSense rather than trying to do it in the YouTube Creator Studio. So I hope you find that helpful information. Some of you may be relieved by that. And like I said, if you are a YouTube creator yourself, I thought you would want to know that information, that you can actually pick the ads that you want or don't want to run on your channel. All right, guys, I hope that's helpful. Thanks for watching. Live simple, live free, you be blessed. See you next time.